Looks like leading up to the Skyliner station at Pop Century, we have a lot of social distancing markers, so I assume the Skyliner station can get pretty packed in the morning and you'll be waiting quite a bit. So if you have a car, I suggest you use it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We are here at Disney's Pop Century Resort, about to get on the Skyliner to head on over to Epcot. We have less than an hour until the park closes, and unfortunately we did get here a little bit later than expected. I did want to get to Epcot a little bit earlier to do a full video. This is going to be a quick little video, see exactly what we can get done in World Showcase with less than an hour left inside the park, see if we can possibly ride anything, and see what kind of food we can get. This will be fun. Real quick video. Let's head on over. Alrighty, we have our own gondola heading on over to Caribbean Beach. The takeoff is always so exciting. And it's also the most anxiety inducing because we are over water.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway.
Thank you. I will say, even with the sun being mostly down in the sky, it's still pretty toasty in here. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I can definitely feel the breeze, but pretty toasty. Thank you.
Have a great evening.
Thank you. I like that a lot of the cast members here are wearing microphones so that way you can hear them better. I guess it was a pretty big complaint from guests that you weren't able to hear cast members with the masks on, you know? So hey, mic them up. Another yellow gondola. It's really bumpy. I think it definitely depends on the angle at which you're traveling, because the breeze in here is much stronger and so much nicer. It feels much better in here now. Hello. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh no, no hand sanitizer. Oh no. It looks like the security at Epcot's International Gateway is also using the touchless bag check system where you just walk straight on through, so I like it. Thank you very much. All right, we're in Epcot just after 8:30. What can we do in less than 30 minutes at Epcot? The only reason why I felt the need to come in is because I had a park pass reservation, but it was under my AP. I don't technically have any park pass reservations under my resort stay until tomorrow. So, in order to not get penalized, I decided to just make a quick trip just to go ahead and scan my Magic Band, come on in. Not sure what we're gonna do. Not sure what we're gonna do. Let's head on over to Future World and see what rides we can ride. Maybe Soarin', Mission Space, Test Track? I don't know. Maybe I might thank the Phoenicians. I'll tell you what though, it's so nice to be back at Epcot. Haven't been here since, you know, the COVID closure and everything. Hell. Is this place like perma-closed? I don't think so, because we come back on Friday, and I'll tell you what, I'm looking forward to eating here on Friday, so I hope it's open. I'm gonna throw some hands.
Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you.
Not even 5 minutes inside the park and we have an announcement. Good stuff. It's very weird being at Epcot this late and not having that many people around, because, you know, we're so used to illuminations going off around this time, and there's normally a lot of people here and there's just no one. I will say, however, this is a view that I missed quite a bit. So it's 8:45 right now. Looks like the only attraction we're gonna get to today is Test Track. And there is no shortage of social distancing markers leading up to the entrance. And it seems to me like Test Track is a pretty popular ride tonight. There's a lot of people in line behind me waiting to get on. I'll tell you what though, it's been a hot minute since I've been through the standby queue for this attraction. And it looks like we are meeting the end of the line right here. Even though none of these are really functioning, I still see a lot of kids going through and putting their hands all over it. So just keep that in mind. I really think they should have turned them all off, because kids are going to think that, you know, some of them are on and they can mess with it, but they're not. So just keep that in mind. Plenty of plexiglass in the queue as well. Didn't they used to have a bunch of engines here? Like they had a bunch of chrome looking engines, or they were just really clean. Ooh yeah, gonna have a whole vehicle to myself.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
That was fun. All my hair's gone. Look at that. All right, and as we were getting off the attraction, it hit 9 o'clock, so not enough time to ride anything else. The park is officially closed. And now, I gotta walk my happy ass all the way back to the International Gateway. Oh boy, it's a workout that's very much so needed, I'm sure. Now, I know that there's gonna be quite a few people at the International Gateway right now trying to get on the gondolas, so we'll see. Let's see if I can do a quick lap around World Showcase and get a little bit more of a workout in, and you know, possibility of seeing World Showcase at night as close to empty as possible. I kind of wish they would at least leave the torches lit. And that'd be nice. I mean, if we don't have any fireworks, I just wish we could have had at least that, but no big deal. I almost forgot how dark it was in World Showcase. Like on the camera, it looks a lot better than it does in reality, but my God, it's dark. But some of the shots that I can get now are awesome. Oh yeah, I am definitely by myself in this area. Oh, this is kind of creepy. There's only one cast member standing outside that cart right there. And then other than that, I am alone. Just check this out, guys. We are in Germany right now. We're walking into Germany and no one. Absolutely no one. How creepy is that? And the cast members haven't started doing their sweep yet, and there's still a few other people here in World Showcase, but definitely not a lot. Just a few stragglers from restaurants maybe. And I'm definitely not like walking slow or anything. I'm moving with a purpose. I'm just kind of biding my time before I have to get on the Skyliner back to Pop Century. So pretty. So we're in Italy right now, and nobody. Absolutely nobody. I almost wish I had a better camera, because the pictures that I would be able to take right now of the park being this empty would be phenomenal. And I'm not the only person here. There's another family in front of me, and they're also making their way over to the gondolas. And it looks like there's another couple heading the opposite direction. So there's still a few stragglers within the park. By the way, burping in your mask, 0 out of 10, would not recommend. Is it just me, or does this sound like old Illuminations pre-show music? Also, you can see a security camera right there with the purple light. But does that not sound like old school Epcot Illuminations pre-show music? Or am I just bugging? I will say that family's definitely speed walking, because I'm in Japan and they're in Morocco. But honestly though, look how empty this is. This is so creepy. Not gonna lie, this little mannequin low-key freaked me out a little bit at first. I caught a few more stragglers coming out of restaurants. So I'm not the only one, which is good. And honestly, the biggest travesty, I'm trying to talk here. Let's try that again. And honestly, the biggest travesty of Food and Wine this year is the loss of the escargot. Let me know down in the comment section below. Do you guys like escargot, or am I the only weird one out here? Because I absolutely love it. I tried it on the Disney cruise for the first time, and it changed my life. And it's not here anymore, and I'm sad. It was one of my favorites. And as you guys can see, there's still a steady stream of folks leaving the park, heading on over towards either the boardwalk or the Art and Beach Club, heading toward the Skyliner. Ugh, what I wouldn't give to have a decent DSLR camera right now for picture taking. My God, I love this. Working here at Disney World, this was honestly one of my favorite things to do, and one of my favorite perks of being a cast member, especially inside the parks, is that after the parks closed, you got to walk through the park sometimes when it's completely empty and it's dark outside and it's creepy. At some point, they turn off the music throughout the park, so it's really quiet, and it's just you by yourself walking through the park, and it's really creepy, but really awesome. It's really relaxing, especially during the summer or the spring break season after a really busy day. It's nice to just walk through the park and just have that quiet and serenity about it. Take a quick peek inside the World Traveler gift shop. It's still open and there are several guests inside. Coda has had her eyes on a Kevin Loungefly backpack, and I've been keeping an eye out for it. Haven't seen one yet. Last time we saw it was at Animal Kingdom, but we did hear that it was at several other locations, so not entirely sure. Not seeing it, but I'm sure we'll find it at some point. Bye, thank you. Thank you. Alrighty, just a little pro tip from me to you guys. I always recommend using the restroom before heading on the Skyliner because you never know. Alrighty. Alrighty, so currently at the Caribbean Beach Resort transfer station, just been informed that the Pop Century Resort Skyliner is down at the moment. They have buses for us available, but they said it could be up in a little while. Depends on exactly how long I want to wait. I'm in no rush. I'm on vacation, so I'll hang out for a little bit. Why not? But it just goes to show that the Skyliner is not always the most reliable form of transportation here at Walt Disney World. Right, a little bit of patience goes a long way. Not even 2 minutes after I made that clip. Back open. Excellent. I've been getting yellow cabins all day. What the heck? I want a red one, dang it. I would like to say this is very creepy because Miss what's her face up there hasn't spoken at all yet, and we're almost there. So it's just very quiet and kind of creepy. Well, that was a super quick trip over to Epcot from Pop Century. I've never had that experience before of being in Epcot after park close and having almost the entirety of World Showcase to myself. That was really, really fun. That was really cool. It was nice to be back at Epcot. I haven't been back to Epcot since this whole thing started and since the parks reopened, so it was really nice to get back. And I just really felt the need to walk through the entirety of World Showcase. If there was a cast member there, or a manager, or someone that told me, hey, can't go this way, gotta go back the other way around, that would have been fine with me. But no one stopped me. There were several other families there as well that were leaving restaurants and walking out with me. So all in all, really quick trip, really fun. We're gonna be back on Friday to hit a bunch of the other rides and to hit the ground running with Food and Wine Festival. I'm super excited for that. Stay tuned for that video. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new around here. Ring that bell. Get notified whenever I upload a new video like this in the future. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of today's video. It's really quick, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.